guys, hope they're going to central level crossing and then can we join Adam? Stupid people.
I know. But it's because...
That wasn't a very good one, was it? Running crossing
with a 4-year-old.
Yeah.
But that's how sick people are these days, Joe. And they need to learn how to be normal people.
She had 3 children trying to push her, she just dashed across with them.
But that's just the way people are. If they want to kill their kids, then they can do that. They can go ahead and kill their kids. That's obviously because they don't love their kids.
Exactly.
And
there we go.
Yeah.
Now, the time is 8:43.
Finish now.
On Saturday, the 19th of September 2000, this is for our 8:53 to 35 Northern service from Sheffield. Expected arrival 8:46.
Just hit Brayford's loop as well.
It stopped at Brayford. It's not actually at Brayford. It's in West Home sidings.
Yeah, it's in the loop.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Actually, I think it's just sat there because the signal was on the red for it.
Hey, when you said it just hit Brayford loop, she went.
Yeah. That just shows how good the diagram is. For some reason, every time I'm looking for a train, I refresh the page and see, oh, it's really close. Ring, 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 ring. Because every time I refresh the page, it always goes off. It looks like it's my finger controlling this crossing.
Well, maybe you should stop refreshing the page and then it won't go off.
No, refreshing the page is what puts the crossing down for me.
Oh, damn it, what is it now? Yeah, your emergency postal's still
These barriers are not doing very well, are they?
No. NR's already had to do work on this one because this one kept on pushing out towards and it will be about this far out, and NR finally actually being bothered to fix it so it's a bit more level, so, you know.
8:25 was cancelled. Let's see how 9:25 goes.
Yeah, to Adwick. That one was cancelled before. Brayford just finished off with like the second that barrier hit the floor, this one, Brayford's second barrier started going.
Been on for 2 minutes 18, where's the train? It's probably still red. I'll check the diagram.
Oh yeah, Joe, I haven't seen my hair yet, have you?
Andrew's on its way. That's good.
Andrew's on its way, you mean
way,
his?
I mean, here she is, it's a 144. But I don't have to get the diagram up after all.
When is the train after this?
8:55 from Newark Northgate.
What time is it now?
It's now it is 8:45. We've got 10 minutes.
10 minutes, that's a long time.
Is it going to turn? Should do.
Yep, she is.
144,004.
144,004. And there's the squealy one.
When it hits that point, it will be squealy.
That'll be a lot worse. Brayford's up!
144,004 from Sheffield. And get the lights going out.
I'm getting the pedestrian light. What is it? They don't even need a halogen. They might as well do LEDs.